Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have YouTube Studio access and both video sources ready to use. Open the editor or your streaming app, then select the split type, side-by-side, picture-in-picture, or grid, and set the aspect ratio. Trim each clip so only the essential parts remain. This avoids awkward gaps. Once done, import both files and place them on separate tracks. Make sure to label tracks for quick adjustments. This saves time when syncing audio and aligning visuals. Now you align and sync. Drag each clip onto its own timeline track and lock one as your reference. Use the audio waveform or a clear visual cue to nudge the other clip until they match within 1/10 to 2/10 of a second. This makes dialogue and action feel natural. Next, adjust scale and position so both videos share the frame evenly, and crop any unnecessary edges. Make sure heads and lower thirds stay inside safe zones so captions and graphics remain readable. Finish by exporting a short test clip to confirm sync, audio balance, and visual composition. If audio drifts over time, resync with micro shifts or re-encode both files to a common frame rate. Mismatched frame rates cause drift. Make final adjustments to color and volume, then render the full video using YouTube-recommended export settings. Upload with captions and precise metadata. If playback shows black bars, adjust crop or aspect ratio and re-export. That single tweak usually fixes frame.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.